Hi, I'm David, and today I'm going to tell you a really important thing that is related to my YouTube channel. I have just opened a YouTube channel, and this is really crucial for me because I really want to upload a lot of videos on this channel, and the content that I'm going to talk about on this channel, and I'll be uploading on the channel as well, which are related to English and how I learned English and what it took in the past, what kind of processes and methodologies and techniques, psychological processes or philosophical processes, whatever I really prepared for and I decided to do, I will be uploading everything on this channel. And also I'm gonna upload the videos every week, probably 3 to 4, maybe 2 in a row, and you guys can see that if you want. And also the channel will be really comprehensive and really lucid about learning procedure, because it was really not really hard and not really easy, but it is kind of complicated. And whatever I had in the past, the obstacles, those were not really easy to overcome for me, and I'll be sharing everything on this channel, and you guys can see that on the channel. And hopefully you'll like the videos, and you can easily also contact me in the comment section below. Just write down your contact or anything, whatever you want to write, so I could go through that and see your problems and uploading some videos related to that as well. And basically the channel's name is Rapid English, my YouTube channel, and also this channel is completely written about English. And so I think that's all about this channel's introduction. Hopefully you guys got it, and so see you soon, guys.